When you write a complex formula in Excel and it doesn't give you the desired result, it can be very frustrating. In such cases, you need to debug or find out what's wrong with your formula. Excel provides a very interesting tool to assist in this process. This tool is called Evaluate Formula. It shows you how a formula is evaluated step by step. Let's take a look. Here is an example of a nested if statement. Let's start by seeing how does the formula translate to gold in the cell C2. Select the cell C2, go to the formulas ribbon and locate the evaluate formula utility. Currently, this utility is available only in the Windows version of Excel and is missing from the Mac version. Click on evaluate formula and it displays this dialog box. You'll see the same formula in the evaluation box. The line under the cell B2 indicates that this is part of the formula that will be evaluated next. As I click on evaluate, B2 is replaced by 81,000 and the cell F7 is now underlined. We now know that F7 will be evaluated next. Let's press evaluate and it replaces F7 with 90,000 and underlines the expression 81,000 is greater than equal to 90,000. We know that when Excel evaluates this, the result will be false as 81,000 is neither greater nor equal to 90,000. Let's click evaluate to verify. As expected, the result has been replaced by false. And the second occurrence of B2 is now underlined. Evaluate and the value is replaced by 81,000. Simultaneously, F8 is underlined. Evaluate. The value is replaced by 60,000 and the expression 81,000 greater than equal to 60,000 is underlined. We can anticipate that as Excel evaluates this expression, the result will be true. Evaluate and the result is true. Now the entire if statement is underlined and the system is now reduced to an even smaller expression referring to the cell E8. If I press evaluate one more time, the final result of gold is displayed. I can now press close. So that's how the evaluate formula utility shows how a formula is evaluated step by step. So next time you need some help while debugging your Excel formulas, you can consider using the evaluate formula utility. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Analytics Success for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.